Well, made a little more progress. Got the driver's side head off. Let's take a look down there. Yeah, not pretty. Yeah, this side was going to fail too. I got the head gasket right here. That would have went like that, I guess. Yeah. Got some space missing. Yeah, not pretty. Trying to do this with the engine still in is not easy either. If I were to do this again, I probably would have pulled the whole engine out and did it that way. Probably clean the throttle body a little bit. And yeah, it's out of there. Let's go over here. Yeah, I got new seals and everything for it, so I guess that's what I'm gonna be doing, is cleaning them up. They don't look too bad. I think just needs a little cleaning. I'll probably clean it up and see if there's anything that needs to be done afterwards. But that's where I'm at. So, yeah. Somewhere, a little progress. All right.